So let's see how we want to distribute this. Okay. Landing. That's probably going to be our next bet. Radial decoupler, need that for staging. And next one is up is this one here. Okay. And the reason why I went for the science one first is because you want to get as much science as you can. This way now, with the batteries and junior science here, we'll get a lot more points. Okay, so let's build Alpha 3. Okay, so I've put together the next vessel which we're going to be using. It's a 3 basic stage system, well 4. First stage is payload, second stage engine, third stage launch engine, and fourth stage is going to be the solid boosters on the side. I've put a whole bunch of batteries as you can see, that way we can continuously take readings and keep transmitting them over and over. Well, without further ado, let's launch. Okay, so SAS is on. Let's throttle up. We need to get our main engine to fire alongside these two. Let's go. During this profile, we're going to try and keep our surface speed velocity about 150 or so. So I'm going to get it up to there, and then I'm going to throttle down to try and maintain around that around that speed. Rumor has it, any faster, and you tend to lose thrust because of good old air resistance. So let's throttle down a bit, maybe a bit more. Fire the next two. 160. I'm going to shut my liquid engines down altogether because the solid engines are good enough to keep us going. And let's observe, transmit, mystery goo, send, observe. So basically we'll keep sort of doing this until we're 12,000. Let's angle our climb a little bit more. And see, as we're getting out of the atmosphere, our fins are less and less useful. Okay, let's keep going. Okay. Let's observe mystery goo again. Mystery goo isn't the best thing to get some research done here. 17.5. What does the crew have to say? Send that too. So basically we'll just keep repeating this process here. How far up are we? 75, 76, 77, 85. Okay, let's kill the engines. Level out. And SAS back on. How far are we? About 1 minute and 30 seconds. Let's get that a bit closer. First let's turn the SAS off. Don't need to waste power. Let's get to about I don't know, maybe 35 seconds, and then we'll burn again to see how far we can go. Okay, that's good enough. Oh, not angling completely the wrong way. Okay, let's burn. Observe. Mystery goo. Crew report. Transmit. All of it. Mystery goo. The material study is really the only thing that's getting us any good returns right now. Let's see how far we can go. Yeah, it's really not worth it anymore. Let's just We'll just deplete this for as far as we can go. That's 1 point. Oh, yeah, about 3 signs. This should be about 2 signs. 11. It'll be about 1.5 signs, maybe. 2 signs. Okay. Yeah, it looks like we're coming down. Let's increase our. Let's get some altitude. Let's keep doing this. But I think we're pretty much done here. 1.7 signs. Yeah, it's really not worth it anymore. This will be under 1. 0.7. Yeah, that's really not worth it. 0.3. Let's get some more height here. Probably not the best way to get yeah, definitely not the best. Let's get up to 300 and then we'll do a prograde burn. Okay. We should be pointing directly into the planet. That way, by the time we get to periapsis, sorry, the apoapsis, we'll be pointing in the right direction. And now we're in high carbon orbit. Okay, let's see what our goo canisters have to say in high carbon orbit. 4.4, not bad, we'll take it. 25, alright, so we're gonna sit here and exhaust that for a little while. The tedious bit of discovery these days. Let's do an EVA just to see what are we getting. 1.6 signs. Terrible. 1.6. Yeah, not the greatest, but what are you gonna do? Yeah, we can milk some more there. This is where having an extra one of these Science Junior modules might come in handy. That way you can scan 2 of them at the same time. Where are we going to be setting down here? Looks like over the water. Let's see if we can land on land again. Land on land. Okay. Let's burn. So we probably don't want to land over this hilly region here. You know what, let's just set down over water. Save everyone a lot of trouble. Let's see if we can land right here. Yeah, that's close enough. Okay, we'll do the last couple experiments and then we'll time warp to our good old yeah, hang on to that. We'll time warp to landing soon. We can transmit one more. Okay, observe, and that's 6.2. That should be it. Time warp all the way around. Okay, we're entering the atmosphere now, so I'll resume the video when we're just about to land. Okay, we've broken 5,000 meters. There's what's remaining of our vessel. Let's deploy our parachutes. Should be enough to slow us down for a nice soft landing without losing any of this precious cargo we have here. Let's speed up again. 4 meters per second. Yeah, this should be a very safe, soft landing. It's gonna take a while to get down there though. 4 meters per second. Ever so slowly. And coming up to touchdown. Let's set back to no time warp, and we have splash. Everyone is safe and sound. Let's see how much science we get here. 123, not too shabby for Alpha 3.